Today we're heading out to Holbourne Island and Nares Rock. We come across sharks, sea snakes, coral, lots more in this episode. Like and subscribe and comment. And thank you very much for supporting us. If you leave from Grays Bay, make sure you get back before the wind blows up. Otherwise you have trouble holding on to your boat. The seagull's laughing at me. Let's go fishing. If it's too windy at Grays Bay, head to the marina in town. As you can see, Bowen is like an island on the coast, surrounded by reefs. We're so lucky to live in such a beautiful place.
Don't hang your head down and cry.
Nice day.
Butterfly.
Let's go fishing. We're going to get there quicker.
Too young.
Holbourne Island is straight out from Grays Bay. Boat ramp heading east. To the north, you have Abbott Point. If you leave from the marina, it takes about an extra half an hour to get to Holbourne Island. Huh?
You could see through my eyes. Butterfly. You see yourself flying, flying high.
Just got the first catch of the day, a snapper, but he's too small, he'll have to go back in. Sea snakes hold enough venom to drop 12 people, but they're more curious than aggressive.
Butterfly, you're where you belong.
This is Holbourne Island, absolutely beautiful.
The sky.
The reef around Holbourne Island, you find sea turtles, dolphins, heaps of marine life and corals. It's stunning. We have so much beauty in our backyard. Who'd want to leave? We actually don't know what this fish is, but he's pretty and he's going back. This fella is a little cod. He'll go back also. If they're too small, we never keep them. They go back in. We have to have respect for the ocean.
Archie, or what are they called? Yep.
Too many little fellas over there at the moment, so we're gonna head over to Nares Rock and see what's over there. There's Nares Rock straight ahead. As you can see, it's not that far from Holbourne Island. There's hundreds of islands in Whitsundays. Bowen is popular Whitsundays. Where all the sharks seen? You reckon where all the sharks? Over that way. There is a sunken wreck To the left of Nares Rock, that's where all the sharks hang out. Look at this beautiful sea eagle. He's got a fish. He just loves getting sharks off the hooks. Goldfish! Goldfish. Oh, so if it's too windy, this is Bowen Marina. So head over there and you're safe to leave from Bowen Marina. Especially if you have a bigger boat, your best bet is to leave from Bowen Marina. If you head out from the marina, head out between the lighthouse and Stony Island towards the islands. Here's Coral Cove Resort at Grays Bay if you need a room for the night, or there's a caravan park opposite Coral Cove if you want to stay there. Be mindful from June to October in Bowen as our waters turn into a nursery as whales travel from the Antarctic to the Whitsundays with their calves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like. It helps us with the algorithms. We're a new channel. We're still learning. Comment and ask questions. We're happy to answer them.